Welcome back, JDM fam. Thank you guys for watching. In today's video, we're going to be installing some window visors on the 2IS. This car has had a lot of add-ons, but this I think will definitely make a big difference, at least on the windows while driving. It's going to block sun, wind noise. It will also stop rain from coming into the car, and you can keep your windows cracked just a little bit when it's hot out if you're just going to be inside for an hour or two, and it will keep your car cool. So these visors will help in all kinds of ways. They are super functional. So before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. It helps me out a lot. Alright guys, these are the visors that we got. These were, I believe, like, I don't know, $26. I'll edit in the video what the actual price was so you guys know, and I will link these, like always, in the description, so if you guys want to pick these up for your 2IS, you guys can. Here's the visors right here. They do look really dull and off, and that is because it looks like there's a protective layer in here. So I believe they're going to be really glossy and shiny. So we'll take that off, obviously, after we're done installing them. But for a really quick test fit, that's about what they're going to look like. Now, obviously, that's not perfect, but it looks really good, guys. Definitely looks a lot more aggressive, and it really makes these windows stand out. And I don't know, they just look way more aggressive. Gives like a more JDM modded look, and like I said, guys, super functional with the sunroof popped and these on. I don't know, it just looks really good and really aggressive. So we're gonna start cleaning up the top of the window right here with some rubbing alcohol. Make sure it's completely clean, so obviously we'll have a good surface to stick onto. You can see it's pretty dirty. It looks like there's all kinds of gunk and stuff stuck on there. And if you guys missed the video where we wrapped these panels right here, definitely check it out, guys. It was really quick, really easy, and definitely cheap as well. These look really stock, and I did want to wrap these because they were chrome before, and I didn't want to install the window visors and then have to wrap these down the road and have to take off the window visors again. So it's going to look really good with the window visors over this gloss black. So let's clean up these seals right here, get it all ready for the visors and the double-sided tape, and then we'll start installing. Okay, so I just did a test fit over here. What we want to do, obviously, because there's chrome right here, is we're going to put these as high up as possible to block the chrome out, and then the chrome will basically just show in the front of the door right here. Also, with the visors, when you're putting on window visors, you're going to want to take off this small one in the back. I mean, you can just leave it off partially like this. Actually, I might just do that. Sometimes I take this off all the way. Now on the top one, there's a really long one that goes along right here. You're going to want to take off the corners of this top one, and then when you do that, it's not going to want to stick really bad, and then you'll be able to readjust it, figure out where exactly you need it. Now we're going to install it. We're going to make sure to block most of this area. We're going to move it up to the top as well, because it does have this piece that goes down towards the window, and as you move it up, it's going to pull that up away from the window a little bit. So if you guys get these for your 2IS, it can get pretty close to the window. So as you move it up towards the top of this chrome right here, it's going to stick more towards the top and pull this piece out a little bit. So that's what we're going to do with this. So let's install it right now. Okay, so that's about where we want it. Looks really good. You just want to check all the corners, make sure they all look good. Also, you want to make sure this doesn't hang over the side too much right here, because the back visor can hit this when they heat up. They might expand, and you just want to make sure there's a decent amount of space right here. guy, and that's what it looks like. So much more aggressive. What a great look, guys. I really like the look of window visors. So as you can see, they look flat black and they kind of don't match the look. We're gonna take off this cover, this protective layer really quick. That's what it's supposed to look like. Oh yeah, that looks so good, guys. Let's see from the side. What a good look. You could probably see it a little bit better right here. That is just a great look. Really like visors, guys. Window visors just look so good. And just like with a lot of things like wings and splitters and stuff, yes, it's functional. Yeah, it's going to help you out, but it also just looks good. It's just a great look. Just like with the last one, I'm gonna pull that off, pull this corner off, and pull this corner off as well. That's it for this video, guys. We got it all done pretty quick. I believe it only took about, I don't know, 35 minutes, maybe 40 minutes to clean, prep, and install these while still making sure that they line up perfect and look great. And I love it, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this mod slash add-on. Let me know if you guys are a fan of window visors. And like I said before, guys, I will link this product in the description if you guys want to check it out for yourselves. So that's about it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Look out for more 2IS videos in the future, and I'll see you guys on the next video.